California requires all LLCs to pay an $800 annual franchise tax every single year. Unlike some states, this isn't based on your revenue. Every LLC pays it regardless of how much money your business makes, even if it's nothing at all. The first payment is due on the 15th day of the 4th month after your LLC is formed. So if you form your LLC in January, your first payment is due in April, which can come up fast. And if your LLC makes over $250,000 a year, California also charges an additional fee on top of that $800, starting at $900 and scaling up from there, depending on your income level. California also requires you to file a statement of information within 90 days of your LLC being approved. The filing fee is $20, and if you miss the window, California adds a $250 late fee automatically. After that initial filing, you'll need to file it again every 2 years to keep your information up to date. Northwest will send you reminders ahead of these deadlines, and if you stay enrolled in their compliance service, they can handle the filings for you. If you've only followed along so far, and now you're ready to get started, remember to use the link in the description to get the best available price with Northwest Registered Agent.